The Vittoria Endurance Cyclocross insert comes in its packaging with a multi-way tubeless valve. Once removed from the box, turn the insert upside down to the correct position for mounting. Ensure the tubeless rim tape is properly installed and undamaged. The multi-way valve has side holes that prevent clogging and allow air and sealant to pass through even with the insert pressing against it. Insert the multi-way tubeless valve into the rim hole. Install the first tire bead onto the rim. Make sure the bead is placed correctly in the center of the rim channel. Wet the insert with water to ease installation. The insert has a hole to allow airflow from the valve. Mount it so the hole is positioned beneath the valve. Place the insert inside the tire like an inner tube, taking care not to twist or damage it. Press with your fingers to position the insert inside the rim channel. Install the second tire bead. Use Vittoria's universal tire levers. With the hooked end to assist, leave the bead section near the valve for last. Remove the valve core to allow easier air and sealant flow. Inflate the tire to seat the beads onto the rim edges. Use Vittoria Universal Tubeless Sealant. Shake well. Remove the inner safety cap and apply through the valve. Reinstall the valve core and inflate to the desired pressure. Spin and bounce the wheel to evenly distribute the sealant. Fully deflate the tire. Use the airliner toolkit pliers to detach the bead from the rim all around. With Vittoria's universal tire levers, use the flat end to insert between rim and bead near the valve and pry it out. Continue along the rim until the bead is fully removed. Carefully remove the insert. Rinse it with water, remove sealant residues, and let it dry before reuse.